How to use Google Messages on your device. So the Google Message is a powerful user-friendly messaging app available for Android device, which offers features like SMS here. So it is enhanced for messaging and interaction with the Google services. So this guide will walk you through the everything you need to know to make the most out of Google Messages. So before diving into the feature, you first need to get the app installed and set up. So of the Android devices most of the Android phone come with the Google Messages free install. But if it's not installed on your device, you have to open up your Google Play Store and search for the Google Messages here. Once you have searched for the Google Messages, you have to install the Google Messages on your device. Just go for the install option and wait for the installation has been successfully completed. Once the installation has been successfully completed, you have to open up your Google Messages here. And here you can see that you can go for the sign in option, or you can use your message without an account. You have to just go for the continue as your Gmail account here. After that, here you can navigate to your Google Message interface like this. And once you are set up, you can start sending messages on your Google Message. But it's important to know where everything is. So here's a breakdown for that interface. So here you can see the main screen where your primary conversation list will be here. You can just go for the set as a default messages app to here. And you can just go for your profile here. You can see that. And you can just go for the spam and block. And you can see the spam and block icon contact here too. So once you are here, you can just go for the start chat. And you have to just type the name. And after typing the name here, you can just go for the message here. So here you can see that you can just go for the starter chat. You have to type the name and just go and send the messages. So this way you can easily have your Google Messages on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.